Whether you're embarking on a 15-day journey across Croatia, Montenegro, and Bosnia-Herzegovina with RSD Travel Agency, or crafting your own adventure, this guide is tailor-made for you. Join me as I unveil what to anticipate, highlight must-see attractions at each destination, and provide invaluable insights to enrich your travel experience. Before we begin, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. To kick our day off, we indulge in a delightful breakfast courtesy of the gourmet package. The breakfast service commenced at 7 a.m. in the luxurious Alga Blue Sun Hotel. It featured a full continental spread complete with a selection of teas and coffees for our own enjoyment. Three. We're having breakfast right now. As you can see, I have another fry up. Bacon, hash brown, egg, coffee, and Nathan's being healthy.
I'm gonna have a donut in a minute, so.
This is the breakfast hole. And now we decided to get some donuts.
Have more yogurt.
Our adventure kicks off with a scenic journey along the captivating Dalmatian coastline from Tučepi. The Dalmatian coastline in Croatia is renowned for its breathtaking beauty, characterized by rugged cliffs, crystal clear waters, and picturesque island dotting the Adriatic Sea. Tourism plays a vital role in Croatia's economy, contributing significantly to job creation and revenue generation. With its wealth of natural and cultural attractions, Croatia attracts millions of visitors each year, bolstering local businesses and infrastructure development. For the best views, I highly recommend sitting on the left side of the bus to enjoy uninterrupted views of the coastline and stunning Adriatic Sea. Our first stop on this day brings us to Omis, a picturesque town nestled in the heart of Croatia. With a history dating back to the ancient times, Omis has been long a strategic stronghold due to its position at the mouth of the Certina River and its proximity to the Adriatic Sea. In the Middle Ages, Omis was notorious for its skilled pirates who roamed the seas, launching daring raids on passing ships. This turbulent past is reflected in the town's impressive fortresses, such as the imposing Mirabilia Fortress and the historic Fortica, which offer stunning views of the surrounding area. Today, Omis is a vibrant destination known for its scenic beauty, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality, making it a must-visit stop on any Croatian trip. While in Omis, you'll have an hour of leisure time to explore the breathtaking town. The Cetina River, winding gracefully through Omis, is a natural wonder renowned for its emerald waters and scenic surroundings. Omis Old Town, nestled along the Adriatic coast of Croatia, is a charming maze of narrow cobblestone streets and historic buildings steeped in centuries of history. Enclosed by ancient defensive walls, the Old Town boasts picturesque squares, quaint cafes, and local shops selling traditional crafts. Towering above the town is the imposing Mirabilia Fortress, offering panoramic views of the Adriatic Sea and the surrounding mountains. With its rich cultural heritage and stunning architecture, Omis Old Town is a captivating destination for visitors seeking to immerse themselves in Croatia's past and present. After our visit to Omis, our next destination is Split. Split is a vibrant coastal city in Croatia, renowned for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. It is home to one of the world's most impressive Roman monuments, the UNESCO-listed Diocletian Palace, which dates back to the 4th century AD. The city name Split is derived from the Latin word spalatum, which means palace. This name originates from the construction of Diocletian Palace, which was built as a retirement residence for the Roman Emperor Diocletian in the 4th century AD. Over time, the settlement that developed around the palace grew into the bustling city of Split that we know of today. While in Split, you'll enjoy a 45 minutes guided tour led by a local expert around the magnificent Diocletian Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
How are you? Yeah, so that's my group. So,
Once the tour is finished, you'll have an hour to explore the city at your own pace.
now we are standing in front of the southern wall of the Diocletian Palace. Have you ever heard of Emperor Diocletian? Yes. Great. And you know, he was the first and the last Roman emperor who enjoyed in retirement. Usually Roman emperors were killed or poisoned, but our emperor was very capable. He ruled about 2 decades and he enjoyed in this palace for 11 years. Substructures. Cellars are situated only under the Diocletian private apartment. Cellars actually elevated up a floor above the sea level. That was the main purpose for the cellars.
There is a sphinx that stands as a testament to the palace's rich history and the emperor's grandeur. This ancient Egyptian sphinx carved from granite was brought to Split from Egypt during the construction of the palace in the 4th century AD. There's plenty to explore around Split. If you're venturing without a tour guide, You can pick up a walking tour map at the information center to help navigate the city's attractions. The Diocletian Palace in Split is not only a historical landmark, but also a vibrant living space. Today, within the palace's ancient walls, you'll find a thriving community of residents who call this UNESCO World Heritage Site a home. The monument to Gregory of Nin in Split is a bronze statue crafted in 1929. It honors the medieval Croatian bishop and has a distinctive oversized toe, often rubbed by visitors for good luck. So we just finished our tour around the palace in Split. We're now having our lunch. We bought some chicken wraps in a cafe called Bobby's just by the what do you call it? Marina?
Yeah.
Yeah, Marina. We were waiting actually for our Christmas ornament that we bought. They're customizing it to say Split. But yeah. What a lovely day as well to have, and that's our view. Walking through the narrow streets and bustling squares of the palace, you'll encounter shops, cafes, and homes offering a unique glimpse into the daily life within this extraordinary historical setting. Following our visit to Split, our journey takes us a short distance to the charming town of Trogir. Trogir, located on the central Adriatic coast of Croatia, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture and rich history. Stepping into Trogir feels like stepping back in time, as its narrow cobblestone streets leads to the stunning landmarks such as the Cathedral of St. Lawrence, the Camerlengo Fortress, and the Town Hall. With its picturesque waterfront promenade and bustling market squares, Trogir exudes a timeless charm that captivates visitors from all around the world.
Good afternoon, hello, welcome to Trogir.
While in Trogir, you'll embark on a captivating 45 minutes guided tour through the enchanting old town, where you'll discover its rich history and architectural treasures. Following the tour, you'll have an additional hour of free time to explore the charming streets, picturesque squares, and waterfront promenade at your leisure time.
There are four places in Europe that branded their towns, their cities. So one of them is Trogir, the second one is the capital of your country, London. The third one is Berlin, and the fourth one is Paris. Yes.
Enclosed within ancient walls, the old town boasts narrow cobblestone streets, historic churches, and elegant palaces, all reflecting its centuries-old legacy. Trogir Old Town is a captivating destination for history enthusiasts and travelers seeking to immerse themselves in Croatia's past. The Rector's Palace in Trogir is an architectural gem that stands as a testament to the town's historical significance and cultural heritage. Built during the Venetian rule in the 15th century, the palace served as the seat of the Venetian governor or rector who administered the town. The palace's elegant facade featured Renaissance and Gothic elements, showcasing intricate stone carvings and ornate decorations. The Cathedral of St. Lawrence in Trogir is a stunning example of Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Construction of the cathedral began in the 13th century and continued over several centuries, resulting in a magnificent blend of architectural styles. After our exploration of Trogir, we concluded the day's adventure and made our way back to our hotel in Tucepi, where we had spent the previous night. Dinner was served promptly at 6:30 p.m., allowing us to relax and unwind after a day filled with discoveries and experiences. So for today's dinner, we have chips, little calamari, and then pasta, chicken, That concludes my guide for day 3. I trust you found it informative, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the guides covering the rest of our journey.